will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. We just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on voice speed and accents, just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then here you find here voice and speaker. Here can you select here voice speed and accent in this list. If you click here on English, then here can you select if you want to add male or female. For USA, then here for UK, male or female. So in here to for French and Italian and Portuguese and Spanish. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking